These are Beyond 10-inch heel, and I'll try to walk on these ones for you today, guys. They bring with this warning label. Wish me luck. Hello everyone, I'm Victoria here again at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys. And today we will review these stunning shoes. The name is BEYOND-008, and yes, they are 10-inch. You know, guys, I'm doing this just because you keeping ask for this because you want me to die. So I'll do for you guys. I just want to make you happy. And look at this 10-inch. This is gonna be my second time try to walk on this. Wish me luck. And I hope you guys let me a lot of comments, a lot of likes, because yes, I'm doing this just for you guys, for make you happy, because you are keeping asking Victoria in 10-inch again. We already make sure that we don't have dogs around, so you don't have to worry about it. And I just want to say everything now because I have to be so concentrated when so focused in walk when I just stand up with these ones. I'm excited, I'm scared, but I love you guys. You have to love me after this. This can be my last word. And let's go. Oh my god. I'm so tall. I'm so tall now. I'm 5'9", so now I'm 6'7". Oh my god, that's too much. What did you think, guys? Victoria Gaga is back. She's back today for all of you. I got it. When I'm trying to walk on these ones, I'm just remember what my coach of heels told me, like just slow and be focused. And I just try to don't look at my feet because I'll get scared. So better don't look. So I just forget that I'm wearing such a high heels. But you guys have to let me a lot of comments because I'm doing this just for you. What do you think, guys? Would you let your girl wear such a high heels? Remember that these ones are not for walking. Actually, they are more for photo shoots and I don't know, to visit, not to walk. So don't use for walk. That's why they bring with a warning level. But yeah, I got it. Victoria Gaga. Okay, guys, as usual, we go outside for show you how amazing look under sunlight. I'm scared, I'm nervous. But don't forget to subscribe, to let your comments, a lot of comments here down, and click on the little bell in this corner so you won't miss any video from this channel. And let's go. I'm just trying to make my mind think that I'm wearing 7-inch or 6-inch. So I won't get scared. Because this is actually a challenge. Okay, this was the harder part. I got the rest. when I wear this kind of shoes, I'm just thinking in Lady Gaga and her music. And I just think like how she do to dance in such a high heel. And yes, this is the Victoria Nervous. But are you seeing, guys? I'm a pro now. I'm a professional. They are a little bit heavy, but well, I got it. Oh my god, I look so tall. I have to take care here with the door. I can't keep my hair. Oh my god. Could you see that? Next time I could dance. Next time I could dance with this one. I'm getting professional. Yeah! I got it, guys. You will be so proud. I hope you comment, "Oh, Victoria, we are so proud of you. You didn't die." That's good. And yes, I did it. I can't believe that I did it. Thank you guys for put me challenge. And we will, as usual, put the link on the description if you maybe want to get them, and you never know. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.